Ayurveda. Unveiling the ancient wisdom of holistic healing from the Rig Veda. Ayurveda, the science of life and holistic healing, finds its roots in the Rig Veda, one of the oldest sacred texts in human history. This article delves into the essence of Ayurveda, exploring its origins, foundational principles, diagnostic methods, treatment approaches, and its enduring relevance as a profound system of healing that aligns with the timeless wisdom of the Rig Veda. Basic overview. Embedded within the verses of the Rig Veda, Ayurveda stands as an intricate system of medicine that transcends the boundaries of time. Derived from the Sanskrit words Ayur, life, and Veda, knowledge, Ayurveda offers a comprehensive understanding of health and well-being, guided by the spiritual insights of the Rig Veda. Origins and foundational principles. Ayurveda's roots in the Rig Veda reflect its ancient origins. The Rig Veda emphasizes the harmony between humans and nature, and Ayurveda extends this concept to the balance within the individual's body and mind. The foundational principles of Ayurveda include the Tridosha theory, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, the concept of Agni, digestive fire, and the importance of maintaining balance for optimal health. Diagnostic methods and holistic approach. Ayurveda employs a holistic approach to diagnosis, considering not only physical symptoms but also the mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of an individual. Pulse diagnosis, Nadi Pariksha, observation, and questioning are among the methods used to assess imbalances. This approach aligns with the Rigvedic emphasis on the interconnectedness of all aspects of life. Treatment approaches and herbal medicine. Ayurveda's treatment approaches include dietary modifications, lifestyle adjustments, herbal remedies, and therapies like Panchkarma. Herbal medicine is a cornerstone of Ayurveda, with a vast array of plants and herbs mentioned in the Rig Veda for their healing properties. These remedies are tailored to an individual's constitution and imbalances. Mind-body connection and spiritual well-being. The Rig Veda's insights into the connection between the mind, body, and spirit echo in Ayurveda's approach to health. Ayurveda recognizes the influence of emotions, thoughts, and consciousness on physical health. The pursuit of spiritual well-being is integral to Ayurveda, aligning with the Rigvedic quest for inner harmony and understanding. Enduring relevance and modern adaptations. In the modern world, Ayurveda's relevance continues to grow as individuals seek holistic healing. Ayurvedic practices align with sustainable living and prevention-oriented healthcare. Modern research validates Ayurvedic principles, contributing to its integration into mainstream medicine. Conclusion. Ayurveda's intimate connection with the Rig Veda underscores its timeless significance. By immersing ourselves in the wisdom of Ayurveda, we tap into the ancient insights that guide us towards holistic health and well-being. This alignment with the Rigvedic teachings reminds us of the innate harmony between humans, nature, and the universe, offering a profound pathway to physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual growth.